How to sell a heavy-duty water tanker featuring the Terex TR60. When it comes to selling a used heavy-duty water tanker, the best place to do this is on Truck and Trailer. It's advised that as much information is given as possible about the unit being sold, and information pertaining to the following points will go a long way in helping you to sell your machine. Sellers must provide all the basic listing information relating to application, make, model, price, nature of operation, and year. When it comes to providing a detailed description of the unit, sellers should explain the reason for the sale, provide information regarding its past working life, detail its current working condition with reference to any rust or leaks, the capacity of the tanker, the pipes, attachments, and nozzles, the rigidity of the chassis under operation, steering, pedals, and controls, as well as the general condition of the interior, the transmission system, the engine and its components, the tires and tread, and finally, the general condition of the entire unit. Providing this information to your potential buyer will go a long way in helping them to make an informed buying decision, and it will also make for an easier sales process for the seller. Sell your trucks, machinery, and equipment on Truck and Trailer, South Africa's leading commercial marketplace for trucks, machinery, and equipment.